Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Polo Life 1 litre 80 PS finished in the stunning deep black pearl paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission, ideal for those wanting a great first car. It comes equipped with features such as electric folding door mirrors for added protection when parked, LED headlights for that great visibility especially at night time, sat on contrasting 15-inch S6 alloy wheels. Moving into the boot, you can see this is a great space of 351 litres, perfect for your daily necessities such as shopping. Moving into the rear seats with the cloth trim finish, creating a comfortable and relaxing feeling, followed by 2 charging sockets. Moving into the front with the multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the cloth trim finish seats for a comfortable drive and relaxing feeling. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are available to assist out on the open road, alongside other assist features. Onto the central infotainment system, there's a variety of different radio stations that you can choose from to keep you entertained along your journeys. Moving on to App Connect, which allows you to connect your phone to the car so you can access apps such as Spotify or Apple Music whilst on the go. The vehicle status will give you any updates or information you may need to know about your car. Your manual climate controls are found below screen, where you can control the temperature of the car. Following on with the central console with 2 charging ports, storage for your phones or keys, 2 cup holders and a central console armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online.